Hi, my name is Miss Shani. I'm going to be helping your teacher by reading this story. This book is called Feast for 10. It's written and illustrated by Catherine Falwell, and it's published by Scholastic Incorporated. This book is about a family that is getting ready for a big meal, a feast, and everyone gets to help. I want you to think about ways that you help at home with your family as we read the story. Feast for 10. One cart into the grocery store. 2 pumpkins for pie. 3 chickens to fry. Do any of you help get the food at the grocery store with your family? 4 children off to look for more. 5 kinds of beans. 6 bunches of greens. They're getting more and more food and putting it in the cart. 7 dill pickles stuffed in a jar. 8 ripe tomatoes. 9 plump potatoes. 10 hands to help load the car. Do any of you help load the car with the bags of food? Do any of you do that? Then 1 car home from the grocery store. Do any of you help unload the car afterwards the grocery store? 2 will look, 3 will cook. Do any of you help at home make things and cook with your family? 4 will taste and ask for more. Ooh, that looks like fun tasting. 5 empty cans. 6 pots and pans. Do any of you help with empty cans or bottles and help put them either in the garbage or in a bin like this or that has this on it? That means recycling. So recycling. 7 more carrots to wash and peel. 8 platters down. 9 chairs around. Do any of you help put out food at your house when it's time to eat? 10 hungry folks to share the meal. There they are, having their meal together. The end. I want you to keep thinking about ways that you can help at home with your family. Thanks for listening.